Hey y'all, this is your boy B-Row. This is a 40 horse tracker, Mercury Marine engine. I hit the key and all I do is make a click, and then I watch the videos about spinning up the Bendex, and I tried that, and then the Bendex would spin but it wouldn't engage, so I kept on investigating, found out that wasn't getting the proper amount of power, and I tested the starter. Starter was good. You know, you just hook a power source to the hot on the bottom of the starter on the right, and then hook another jumper cable to the negative. When you touch it, your starter will kick in if it's still good. So then I got a new Bendex, and they sent me the wrong one, and so I figured, you know, from here I'll just try changing out the battery cables, which I had heard people say over and over and over about a bad connection, and I just wouldn't believe it because my wires look good, you know. And so finally I took a piece of sandpaper to all the wire ends, the ones here on the battery, all the ones that are in the motor there on the starter and the solenoid. I took them all off one by one, hit them with a little sandpaper, put it back together, and voila, the motor fired right up. So, man, I know you don't want to believe there's any corrosion on there, but it's just the finest little bit of powder underneath the nut that can make the whole thing not work. So, man, as much as I hate to be the guy saying this, take off all your wires and sand them first, put it back together and try to fire it back up, because that might be all it is, man.